Let's make fresh homemade pumpkin puree. Take 3 to 4 small pumpkins, like the sugar pumpkin or pie pumpkins, and cut off the stems. Slice a bit from the side so it sits flat and is easier to cut. Then flip it over and cut it in half. Scoop out all of the seeds and guts. Save those seeds to make roasted pumpkin seeds if you want. Place the pumpkin halves on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes until they are really soft and fork tender. Allow them to cool for 10 to 15 minutes and then you can easily remove the skin from each of the pumpkin halves. I usually just use my fingers to remove the skin. Slice them into small chunks and place the chunks in a food processor. You will probably need to do this in stages depending on the size of your food processor. Put the lid on and then blend for 15 to 30 seconds until it is a puree. Scoop into an airtight container and store in the fridge, or you can freeze it. And you can use it for all of your pumpkin baking needs, like this yummy pumpkin bread. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.